Welcome to Auto Reviews, where we bring you the latest and most exciting rides. Today, we're talking about the Aprilia Tuono 660, a bike that blends aggressive design, thrilling performance, and cutting-edge technology. The Aprilia Tuono 660 is a middleweight naked sport bike that takes inspiration from its bigger sibling, the Tuono V4. It offers a balance of power and agility, making it a great choice for riders who want sport bike performance with everyday usability. Designed for both street and track, this bike is built to deliver a raw and exhilarating experience. The Tuono 660 was first introduced by Aprilia in 2021, carrying forward the Italian brand's racing DNA. Aprilia, a legendary Italian motorcycle manufacturer, has a strong history in motorsports, and the Tuono lineup has always been known for its high-performance naked bikes. The 660 version was created to fill the gap between small displacement bikes and larger, more powerful machines, offering an ideal middle ground for riders looking to upgrade. The bike has gained immense popularity in Europe and North America, where riders appreciate its blend of power, lightweight design, and high-tech features. Italy, the UK, Germany, and the US are among the top markets for the Tuono 660. Its sharp styling, advanced electronics, and everyday practicality make it a favorite among motorcycle enthusiasts. Powering the Tuono 660 is a 659 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, producing 100 horsepower and 67 Newton-meters of torque. With a lightweight 183 kilograms chassis, the bike offers excellent power-to-weight balance, making it nimble and quick in corners. It features a 6-speed transmission with a quick shifter, ensuring smooth gear changes for aggressive riding. Fuel efficiency is impressive for a sport bike, averaging around 20 to 22 kilometers per liter depending on riding style. This makes it a practical choice for both city commuting and weekend rides. When it comes to capabilities, the Tuono 660 is packed with advanced electronics, including traction control, wheelie control, engine braking control, cruise control, and multiple riding modes. It also features a full-color TFT display, LED lighting, and premium suspension components for a refined riding experience. Key features include a lightweight aluminum frame, aerodynamic fairings, a comfortable upright riding position, and high-quality Brembo brakes for exceptional stopping power. The price of the Aprilia Tuono 660 varies by region but typically starts around $10,500 in the US. This makes it a competitive option in the middleweight naked bike segment, offering premium performance at a reasonable cost. Its biggest selling points are its race-inspired performance, cutting-edge electronics, and lightweight design, making it an excellent choice for riders who want a thrilling yet practical motorcycle. If you're looking for a bike that can dominate the streets while being comfortable for daily riding, the Tuono 660 is a fantastic option. That's all for today's review. Like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth motorcycle reviews. Ride safe, and see you in the next one.